So guys, just when I decided to film, somebody decided to cut the grass. Oh my god. Oh hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Miko Barenvo, and yes, I'm coming back at you guys with another video, and I hope you guys are enjoying my videos so far on my channel. Now if you guys are new here or if you guys are already subscribed, thank you guys so much for subscribing, and if you guys are seeing my face for the first time or just now coming across this channel, darling, why not subscribe like you're already here? So just go ahead and hit that red subscribe button in the box down below to join the Rainbow Clan and the Rainbow Fam, darling. I don't know if you guys have been seeing some videos going around circulating like boop, 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 on your recommended, your watch page, your timeline, everywhere. So basically there is a new wave going around where we actually mix our foundations, all of our foundations, all of our concealers, like everything. But I was thinking and I was like, concealer, I already did that. Foundation, I already did that. Like I currently mix my foundations and my concealers anyways, just to get the perfect shade and just to make sure that this face is matte and beat. For today's video, we're going to be mixing all of my translucent powders and honey. These are not even all of them. Basically, I went ahead and I mixed all of my translucent powders, and this looks really light, so may the odds forever be in our favor. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be testing out this, and I have so far over 10 translucent powders which are mixed together, and my face does not break out. So here I have this mini beauty blender that I always use to apply my translucent powder. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is legit like what these powders look like together. So let's hope. Okay.
Literally just placing that in the areas that I normally do.
And it's really heavy. Oh, it's really cakey. So we're just going to make this set just for a minute, and then we're going to be removing all of this.
A few moments later.
So yeah, we're going to be brushing away all that excess powder. I don't know, but I'm already seeing like a white cast. I don't know if you guys can see this, but right here is like really stubborn to get rid of. So if you see me pulling this, that's why. So this hack is kind of good. My face really looks like really too matte right now. So the verdict is in on this method, on this challenge, on this wave. It is okay, but I will not be doing this anytime soon. I will not be doing this again. This is only for entertainment, experiments, and video purposes only. So without further ado, this is the end of this video. And if you guys enjoyed this video or would like to see more videos from me, darling, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button in the bars down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. So without further ado, I love you guys. So bye guys.